Hello, my name is Iron and this is Iron's Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of a set of their on-ear headphones. I'm quite excited about these. These are by a company called AVIOT or AVIOT, I'm not quite sure how to say that. And they're a Japanese company. They're fairly new to the headphone scene, but they've got quite a few earbuds out. As far as I know, these are only available in Japan and possibly China at the moment. But there is an intention of having them sold all over the world. They are on-ear headphones with noise cancelling capabilities, 55-hour battery life, and they're very small and very light, and I'm quite excited about them. So my previous headphones have been the AVIOT Wave-Pro. I've got the Sony, it's the 720s. Also, I had the XM4s for a while, and they're all, they're all over-ear headphones. They're all quite big, and they do feel a little bit like you're being boxed in. These are much, much smaller than those headphones. So I'm going to open them up, have a look what you get. I've taken the tape off these, but I am yet to open them properly. So front of the box, you have like a shiny picture of the headphones. They're kind of retro looking. They're called the Q1. That's noise cancelling, 55-hour battery life. On the sides, you have nothing at all, so quite simple there. Black top, let's spin it. So you've got a bit of information on there. It tells you about the noise cancelling. It tells you about the fact you can listen to outside noise. It's got an ambient mode, basically. Very lightweight, 55-hour battery life. Tuned, it says Japan tuning. I'm not quite sure what that means, but they have been tuned. It's got AI calls. It can connect to 2 devices, and this is more about the ambient mode as well. And there's a bit of information down there. They support SBC. They do support AAC as well. Bluetooth. They don't support LDAC, but they are quite cheap, relatively, I suppose. I picked these up for work out about $40. It would work out. So they're not too expensive. I'm going to open these up. So you get, okay, there we go. Let's get rid of the box there. Let's put that to the side. So you've got these little foam bits on the top. We can take those out. And straight away, you've just got the headphones presented in front of you. They're in these little bags, which are quite interesting. So I'm going to take this out. Okay, I'll put those to the side just for a moment. Okay, so under the foam protection you get for the headphones, you have a whole bunch of other stuff as well. So they're quite well padded in there. That's quite nice. You have your cables. What have you got? This is the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It's USB-C as well, which is, of course, you want to see that. We have a little business card almost. And we've got all the instructions. There are some English instructions in here as well, which is quite nice. Put those to the side, and you also get another big piece of foam on the bottom just to keep everything safe. So a whole bunch of foam in there. Let's put those to the side. And the cable seems reasonable quality. Let's have a look how long this cable is. So I know that the Soundcore products recently has been coming with, I'll open this, I've been coming with a very short little cable. Let's see what AVIOT are providing. Okay, not too bad. It's about ½ a meter, I think. It's completely clear on this side. It does say AVIOT on this side. So it's not a bad cable at all. Let's put that over here as well. And then the main event, we'll get the headphones. So they come with these little plasticky packet baggies on the end there. Let's take those off. So still a fair bit of plastic in the packaging, but for the price they were, I'm not going to complain too much about that. So there they are. They've got plastic on the outside of here to keep it safe as well. So as I said, they're very small, very light little headphones. They are incredibly light. They're ridiculous. They have the cables exposed, some like that, some don't. I think it makes them look kind of retro. I do quite like it. They're exposed on my Audio Technica headphones as well. So they have this nice retro vibe. They remind me a little bit of the Marshall headphones. Marshall have these on-ear headphones. They have with actually quite a similar style and design to these. These are a little bit more simple and a little bit rounder. So again, you've got AVIOT on the side. Nice bit of padding. It's not massive amounts, but they're very light, so I can't imagine it'll need much up here. You've got a fair bit of padding on here. This is nice and squashy. So they have just these, if you can make it out there, they have just the holes, and it just sits on your whole ear, but it's really squishy. So I'm hoping it creates quite a nice seal. I'm going to give it a try for a week and see. And actually, I don't know if you can make it out, but it does actually have L and R in the holes cut out on there, which is quite a nice touch. You've got your controls here. We've got the noise cancelling button, the indicator LED up and down, and I've checked it out. This does actually control volume and the track selection. You've got the power button, which is also the play and pause. In addition, the noise cancelling button, if you press it 3 times, it puts it into like a low volume mode. So if you want to use them with kids, it limits the volume there. And then if you do the same with the power button, you hit 1, 2, 3, that puts it into gaming mode or low latency mode. So they're pretty good considering they're just really little on-ear headphones. They do a lot. As I mentioned, they do have noise cancelling as well. I'm yet to try it out. I will be back with another video about how the noise cancelling is. But yeah, first impressions, these are nice. Like they feel pretty well built. They do fold as well. You can fold them in like this, which makes them pretty compact and small. I can just throw those in my bag, and they do not fold like left and right, but they're quite flexible in that direction. You can bend them quite a bit. But yeah, they don't feel too tight either. I'll wear them for a week and see how they do. But yeah, I'm quite excited about these just because they're so small and light, and you can fold them up. And they have full, noise cancelling capabilities, ambient mode capabilities. And they do feel pretty good. Like they've got this nice like leatherette style stuff all over the top. The padding's good. The metal feels solid. The hinges are really good, like really nice, solid looking hinges there, and they click nicely. And yeah, so in short, I'm quite impressed with these. So I will be giving them a run over the next week, see how they do. But yeah, so this is my quick unboxing, first impressions review of the AVIOT or AVIOT, and they are called the Q1 or the WA-Q1, in fact. So yeah, my name is Iron, this is Iron's Tech, and thank you for watching.